Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a Beko WMB61431W. There's nothing wrong with it apart from the door is loose. And that in itself isn't a problem, but when you go to close it, you have to lift it. A couple of millimeters, so it's not great. So I wonder if I can swap the bushings around in here or something like that today. So I'll just take it apart and we'll have a quick look. There you go, door's out. So I expect the door lock will want to fall apart if I just pull it apart like that. So I'm going to do, instead of doing it that way, I'm going to do it this way. What is the problem? Bushings are present and correct. Doesn't seem to be any issue there. What's the wear and tear from? It doesn't appear to be any issue. It's a bit weird. Just looking in there. Looking in there. Doesn't seem to be anything wrong. What would be the problem? I do not know. If one of those was worn out, I'd be worried, but it isn't. So a bit of paper around them, or a bit of something around them, maybe. Let's just open it up again and close it up again. Put that in there. It's just a bit loose. I'll put a bit of paper in it. So I've got a bit of heat shrink tubing. Cut a couple of slices of that, and if the first two don't make a difference, I'll put two more on. So open it up, slide it over, light it up, repeat. See if that still fits. Do it the right way around. That is a lot firmer. There's no play in that at all now. So I'll put the screws back in and we'll fit the door and see if it works. So you've got to be careful, because if you lift up this piece of tin here that the screw bears into, it'll fall off the back, and you don't want that, because then you've got to open the whole thing to get the machine together again. So put that in, slide it down, put your screws in place. You can open the door wider, put them in. Hopefully we'll get a purchase. Oh, that's a lot better. Just try one thing. Let's try just twisting this just the tiniest bit before we tighten it up. Right. Oh yes, look at that. All for a bit of heat shrink. Questions or comments, leave them below. It's a success. I like it. If you haven't joined the channel already, have a look down there in the description. There's members perks and whatnot. You check it out, see what you think. Otherwise, subscribe and like. I'd appreciate it. Helps the channel, all that stuff. If this has been helpful to you, leave a PayPal money down below. What else can I tell you? Questions or comments, leave them below too. Thanks for watching. See you later. Needs to turn, otherwise I'll be disappointed. There you go. It's working. Great. Go for that.